We're going to show just some outstanding fabrics today. They're just so beautiful. And again, I've got them all at a discounted price because I just kept talking them down because I kept thinking of what y'all would want to pay. So we're going to start with this first one. It's 100% silk. It's a Max Mara. Just beautiful. I don't know what else to say except it's just absolutely beautiful. The background is black. The colors are royal red, a light blue, a green. It's just beautiful. I mean, it's just a blouse that you could just wear with everything because it has so many different colors in it. Again, it's 100% silk. And price is great comparatively. I put this group together because I felt like it all just really blended well together. This is 100% wool. This is a wool knit. It has stretch in both directions. This is a Balenciaga, I think. Yeah, Balenciaga. And it's beautiful. Don't have a lot of yardage in this, but it's absolutely stunning. It's kind of a heathered wine. And I put all this group together because I think this would be beautiful as pants and a little sweater with this. This next one is a viscose. It's 100% viscose. It's a woven. Stunning, isn't it? Beautiful. Just absolutely stunning. It's a navy in there with browns, navy and browns together. The drape is incredible. It's a viscose woven. Just really beautiful. I brought this back just because we only have a few yards, but also because it blends so well with some of these. To have a little bit of shimmer with this, to have this, you know, this is just really beautiful. This is a cotton poly. It has stretch in both directions. A little jacket out of this 920 would be a home run. There's just a little bit left. This one is a Dolce Gabbana. It's 100% silk. Beautiful piece of fabric. Is that stunning? Just absolutely gorgeous. Originally in New York, I paired it with this. This one's already up online. The blue is already up online. It's, let me just make sure I have the right number. Oh, I'm sorry, you guys. I don't want to give you wrong information. 7873 is this blue. Again, it's already up, but look at those two together. They're just absolutely just gorgeous. It can go with the wine too. I put the wine up, but I wanted you to see that blue. Again, that blue 7873 is already up. This is a Dolce Gabbana. This is 100% silk. And you can see, I mean, it goes with a lot of different colors because it has so many different colors in it. And then I put it with Balenciaga. This is the wine. It blends beautifully with that as well. I think the wine has a tendency to really pop the colors. This is Balenciaga. This is 100% viscose. It has stretch in both directions. This is like a Pontoroma. So you could do pants, jacket, you could do everything. Just stunning. And again, the price is designed to move. Crazy. All right, you guys, there you have it. Beautiful fabrics. The goal, of course, you know, all year round. Happy sewing from Silhouette Patterns.